This is the sound of a meteorite hitting the Earth. Researchers at the University of Alberta call it a milestone. It is the first time that the moment of impact of a meteorite has been recorded on video. It is also the first time that the sound of the impact can be heard. The occurrence took place in July 2024 in Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island, Canada. Further investigation of the remains and the impact site revealed that the rock from space was a chondrite. Chondrites make up the majority of all meteorites found on Earth. The so-called Charlottetown meteorite is believed to be the first and only one of its kind to land on Prince Edward Island.